Hey, recently somebody got a hold of me and they wanted to know how to open a Streamlabs account. Do you think you can help me out?
Yeah, sure I can. Stay tuned.
Welcome to Live Streaming Tech, where we'll show you how to live stream like a pro with technology you should know. And this is my brother Walt, and I'm of course Dale. And dude, I got a question for you, man. Recently, a friend asked me how to set up a Streamlabs account, but the question is, what is Streamlabs and why is it so important to live streaming?
Well, Streamlabs is a one-stop shop for all your streaming needs. And whether this be using their Streamlabs OBS, which is actually quite built into it, or using the widgets, which will trip off alerts. So whether you're streaming on YouTube and you get a subscribe, or you're streaming on Twitch and you get a follow, or maybe a tip or donation, these alerts will go off and they're built in to your stream. They also show analytics from your past streams. So later on, you can go back and view how many people have visited you and how long they stayed in the stream. You can also set up a merchandise store, which this is actually quite new to back when I first started streaming. You can literally, it's click and paste. You set up your own t-shirts, they make them, they send them off. All you got to do is send your viewers to that merch store. And of course, Streamlabs is going to take a little bit of profit. It's also great integration. So if you choose not to use Streamlabs OBS, it will integrate with other streaming software.
Oh, that's nice. I wasn't aware of that. I know one of the things I do like, and being a person who has my own YouTube channel, Streamlabs OBS, more specifically Streamlabs itself, the analytics is real time. So as soon as I get off of the broadcast, I know precisely how many people were in there, the average it was, as well as the average watch time. Whereas with YouTube, you've got to wait a few days. So that's a pretty cool feature in my opinion.
Yes. Yes, it is a very cool feature. And this will work as well, whether you're streaming on Mixer, Periscope, or Twitch. As soon as you end that stream, it's going to spit out those analytics. The other great thing too is it will show who subscribed to you or who followed you and that specific time that they followed you. So if you're really trying to dial in your streams later on down the road to see, hey, when am I picking up more of my subscriptions or where am I picking up more of my follows, you can kind of cater to your future streams that way.
Now that we've got all this out of the way, can you show me how to set up a Streamlabs account?
Sure. Watch right here. Okay, so you just go to your Google and just type in Streamlabs. That's what I do. All right, right here, Streamlabs. Okay. Go to the login. And then since I've already made a Twitch account, I'm going to go ahead and use that. But as you see here, you have your other links here for your YouTube, Mixer, Facebook, Periscope. And I don't know what the green one's called again. Hang on a second. It's going to go there. Okay. So as you see here, I'm connecting it to the live streaming tech here over at Twitch. And as you see here, you can read all this good stuff. It's view your email address, paid subscription, so on and so forth, and all the information. But then I'm just going to come down here. I'm going to hit authorize. Okay, now we have our Twitch channel linked to Streamlabs OBS. You can do this with all your other social media platforms. All right, as you see here, if you just click on your name there, it's going to bring down, I'm going to show you here later on, but here's all your account information. This is your dashboard, basically. You have your widgets, which here's where we're talking about the alerts. You could even set up goals. So donation goals, follower goals, bit goals, sub goals. This right here is more Twitch extensions. So you have like your overlays, all that good stuff. Then there's even a chat bot, which is new. And then here's your resources, which you can also find up here in the upper right-hand corner when you click the arrow. And that just basically links you to their areas of help. So if you have any other further questions on Streamlabs, you can follow them on YouTube, Twitter, and so on and so forth. But if you want to download your Streamlabs OBS, aka Slobs, that's the button you'll click there.
Cool, man. Thanks. I appreciate that. That was a really simple tutorial. And folks, if you want to get your hands on free access over on Streamlabs, all you got to do is head over to our affiliate link at livestreamingtech.site/slobs. Folks, if you want to learn a little bit more about live streaming tech and get a lot more information on how you can stream like a pro, make sure that you catch this next video over here. Just click that Let's keep that party going, and we're going to see you in the next video.